Hello, you just tuned in to Christian's Creations. Come in, take a seat, get comfortable. We'll be right back. Don't go away.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Christian's Creations. I'm Christian and today I am super excited to do my very first tutorial. As I promised last time, we will be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. This is the desk where we will be working at. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay everyone, before we start, I just want to say, if you're following along with me, you'll need to draw your lines light because there will be some erasing. So, with that said, let's draw Sonic the Hedgehog. If you need to, you can use something like a tape roll or something that's round. I'm good at drawing hand circles, so I don't need that, but you may. Don't worry if your drawing doesn't come out perfect. I put Operation PAP into place, which is my acronym for Practice and Perfect. Okay, now that we've done the circle, we can do the spikes now. Make sure you do sharp turns. And just bring those spikes out. 3 spikes. And then when you're done, connect that to the head. Okay, so now the spikes are done. Now you can just erase the circle in the middle. You don't need that anymore. Alright, now that you have a complete head shape, you can just put the mouth shape in now. Just make a turn kind of like a hot dog. Make the nose shape. Make the nose come out. And then inside, just make a mini shape of the nose and then shade around it. That way to shine in his nose, like it always is in every Sonic picture. Make sure it's bright and white. Now for the eyes, just bring it up right out of that mouth shape. Make your roundish turns. And kind of don't let that one go up too far. Just cut it off. And then go down. So now do the eyes just like you did the nose. Make the long eye shape. Actually, we want to make that longer. I mean, yours might be fine. Just need to make adjustments as you go. Alright, so do your eyes and then do the shine in between. Most of the time, Sonic is smirking, so just give him that little smirk. Outline the end and make the eye shape, the eyelid shape. Darken it up a little bit and then make that ear come out. That way it looks like he's turned the way that he's actually turned. And then make the other one inside of his head. So basically at that point you have finished the head. Now we want to do the body. Make another small circle. Don't make it very large. Here, make his hand on his hip. Now you just want to erase all of those lines inside of the glove from the circle so you can have a clear glove. Here we need to connect the arm with the glove. So we're just going to have to bring it out and then make it cross over. Shift this direction. And then complete that part of the glove. Now from the head, make one spike on his back come out. Give him a little tail. Okay, after that, darken in. Actually, I'm going to make my circle a little bit smaller, so his look more like his hand is on his hip. You can adjust yours if you feel that yours is not good, or you don't have to. Alright, now for the leg, make 2 lines coming out. And then here for the shadow of the shoe, we want to make a triangle shape. Going right into his leg and then just darken that in. Then we can draw around that to make the outer part of the shoe. Now, for the actual shoe part, you just bring a line out and then connect both of those lines. Then the stripe. He's always wearing those red stripe shoes with the white. Now just do the same thing with the other leg. All that we just did on that one, only make it a little bit smaller. Make it so the 2 shoes are like touching. like that. And then bring it out. This time we just want to make it a little bit shorter, because the other foot that we did first is actually tapping. You know, Sonic's always tapping when he's impatient. Okay, now just darkening those lines, and now we need to do the other arm. For the other arm, we just bring it out. About the crossing, we're gonna fix that in a little bit. But right now, we're just gonna make the glove. Okay, so make that thumb coming in, like that. Now make the finger right there, so that it's not actually really touching, like that. And then make the pointer out. Okay, so now we want to darken in everything that we did, because we're almost done here. Want to darken in the eye. Now, when you're darkening in these things, try to make it in one stroke so it won't look too fuzzy. That just makes it look neater. Now we just want to erase those fuzzy lines so your drawing can look better. Right, just erasing, and then do it all over again in one stroke. And you only need to do this to the parts that look fuzzy to you, like these parts right here. These parts that I'm erasing, you may not have done as fuzzy. So you may not have to do what I'm doing on the parts that I'm doing. Okay, now for the shadow of the shoe, because it's, like I said, it's tapping, you want to make the other part, and then make zigzag shadow one way and then the other way. And then make some lines to indicate that he's tapping. Just fix that glove a little bit. And that is basically it. All we have to do now, always put your signature and the date. So just put my signature, and you put your signature. And then the date for me is August 15th, 2021. Always put that down so you can know when you did it. Okay, everyone, that is all the time that we have for today. That is how to draw the cartoon version of Sonic, or the real version of Sonic. So, I'm not very sure what we'll be doing next time, so you'll just have to hang on to your seats. And remember, until next time, keep creating.
Thank you for watching Christian's Creations. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you again next time.